Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to mark making. Today's letter sound and picture we are learning is worm. Worm. You try. Well done. To write the letter sound you need to go down, up, down, up. Shall we have a go? I'm going to use my whiteboard and pen today. We start at the top. Down, up, down, up. Worm. You have a try and send us your pictures. Have a great day. Bye.